Energy cannot be created or destroyed. We know this, okay? We were taught this long ago. And here's the interesting thing about that. That means the energy of all possibilities is there. Okay, so the quantum field holds the energy of everything, but it also holds all possibility, all that was and all that is and all that can be. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And so I love to use the example of a sundial. We hear things like quantum jumps or even manifestation. And here's how you can use quantum science in your everyday life, understanding that the quantum field holds all energy and all possibilities. Imagine yourself standing in a like how a child would draw a sun, right? A circle with a bunch of spokes coming out of it, okay? You're standing in the middle of this and you're walking, okay? And the path that you're walking is the spoke that's, directly out from you, because that's where you're most energetically aligned, okay?
Okay. Yeah, absolutely.
Quantum science tells us is we're going to draw in what we are a vibrational match to. Now, if you want to shift this, if you want to change your most possible and probable future, then you have to shift those spokes. You have to shift that dial, right? Which means you have to shift your energy. You have to shift your vibration. And when that happens, that dial can then shift, and you can just keep walking as that dial is shifting. And now you're going into a different probable possible future versus where you were aligned previously. So that is the most tangible but still kind of out there example of like it's something concrete where in your mind you can kind of visualize that, and visualize like this whole quantum jump thing going from this reality to that reality is very difficult to comprehend unless you think of it in the example that I gave, that it's really not that difficult to think about when you think about it, as when you're shifting your vibration, you're shifting the energetic match to your most probable future.